Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to compare two bikes which are legend in the 250cc segment. First one is the KTM Duke 250 and second one is the Suzuki Gixxer 250 naked version. So if you guys are planning to buy any of these bikes and are confused which one to go for, this video might actually help you. So let's start the video and quickly compare the specifications of both the bikes. Talking about the engine, Duke 250 comes with 248.76cc single cylinder 4 valve BS4 fuel injected liquid cooled engine that puts out 29.1 bhp of power at 9000 rpm and 24 newton meter of torque at 7500 rpm. Whereas Gixxer 250 comes with 249cc single cylinder 4 valve BS4 fuel injected oil cooled engine that puts out 26.5 bhp of power at 9000 rpm and 22.6 newton meter of torque at 7500 rpm. Both the bikes get 6-speed gearbox. Coming to the tires and brake section, both the bikes have 110 by 70 tires up front and 150 by 60 tire on the rear. Both the bikes have tubeless tire and are mounted on 17-inch alloy wheel. Talking about the brakes, both the bikes have front and rear disc brakes and ABS operational on both the wheels. Coming to suspension, Duke 250 has front USD forks whereas Gixxer 250 has normal telescopic suspension. Both the bikes have monoshock suspension on the back. KTM Duke has better ground clearance of 185 mm whereas Gixxer 250 has 165 mm only. Duke 250 has seat height of 830 mm which makes it better for taller people, whereas Gixxer 250 has seat height of 800 mm which makes it better for shorter people. Duke 250 has better fuel tank capacity of 13.4 liters whereas Gixxer 250 has 12 liters only. Duke 250 comes with halogen headlamp whereas Gixxer 250 comes with LED headlamp. Both the bikes have LED tail light. Gixxer 250 has better and readable instrument cluster whereas Duke 250 has traditional smaller instrument cluster. So these all were the technical comparison of both the bikes. Now let's discuss about the riding experience. First is initial pickup and power. Both the bikes have very good initial pickup and power, but KTM Duke 250 has slightly better pickup as this bike has better engine figures. But this difference is minor and it is very hard to actually find out the difference. So I think this point can be ignored for serious buyers. Second is the handling and high speed stability. Without a doubt, I felt Gixxer 250 was better in high speeds. The bike was very smooth and vibration free even in the speed zone 120 to 130 km per hour. KTM 250 handling was also very good, but if I have to pick the bike based on handling, I would definitely go for Suzuki Gixxer 250. Third is sitting comfort. Both the bikes have upright sitting position, but here also I felt Gixxer 250 is better in terms of sitting comfort. The bike has better seat cushion and you can prefer this bike for long rides. KTM 250 is also good in sitting but not that great if being compared with Gixxer 250. Fourth is the top speed. Even though the power figures of Duke 250 are higher as compared to Gixxer 250, but the top speed is limited to 140 to 145 km per hour. In Gixxer 250, you can have a top speed of 145 to 150 km per hour. Fifth is brake. Here the braking performance of Duke 250 is much better because of USD forks up front and stiff monoshock suspension at the back. Gixxer 250 braking is also good. I would say the braking performance difference between the bikes is like 18 to 20. Last point is vibration. Both the bikes are vibration free in the cruising zone, that is speed 110 to 120 km per hour. But once you cross the cruising zone, I felt slight vibration in KTM, but Gixxer 250 was as smooth as butter even in the high speed zone. So these all were my riding experience. Now coming to the price, Gixxer 250 naked version is priced at 1.60 lakh ex showroom Pune, whereas Duke 250 is priced at 1.97 lakh ex showroom Pune. From both the bikes, you can expect a mileage of 30 to 35 km per hour if ridden sensibly. So based on our points discussed, you can go for your suitable bike, but I would say if you are more into the looks and no compromise on the parts, you can go for Duke 250 by paying 35 to 40,000 more. Otherwise, Gixxer 250 is the best option available financially in the market as of now. So that's it from my side, guys. If you like the content of this video, do give it a like and do subscribe to my channel for more bike and tech related videos. Also hit the bell icon so that you can get the regular bike updates. Thank you, guys.